overall recovery rate in India from coronavirus infection has been fairly good. While the recovery rate remains above 80% according to Union Health Ministry data, and many have only had to deal with mild symptoms, over 1 lakh people have lost their lives. But testing negative after battling the disease is not the end of the road for some of the recovered patients. Mild cases recover in 2 weeks on an average. But lingering symptoms like brain fog, fatigue, and breathlessness have been reported by some even months after the COVID-19 infection seems to have subsided from the body. This illness has now come to be known as long COVID, seen even in mild cases. The SARS-CoV-2 virus can harbor chronic fatigue syndrome or post-viral fatigue. Doctors found no link between the severity of the infection and fatigue according to a report by BBC. Unable to go back to the activities that long haulers enjoyed before catching the infection is one of the many complaints of patients. Sudden flare-ups, cough, fever, loss of smell and taste, headaches, diarrhea, vertigo, body ache, appetite loss, and eyesight problems might severely impact the life of COVID survivors. These symptoms vary widely among recovered patients. Some people are also experiencing long-term heart, lungs, and kidney damage. Doctors have also included the possibility of Kawasaki-like disease due to the virus that is proving fatal in children and adults. Otherwise rare, Kawasaki disease causes inflammation or swelling in the blood vessels, which can give birth to lasting heart diseases. A study published by The Lancet also hints at a possible brain invasion by the virus as per its preliminary data. Other findings also point at an altered brain function leading to confusion and dizziness. According to the Mayo Clinic, COVID-19 can also make blood cells more likely to clamp up and form clots. While medical professionals are baffled with the onset of long COVID, there is little that can be done for post-COVID care in the hospitals at this stage. The recovery is also taking a toll on patients' mental health, triggering anxiety and depression in many. A study covering around 4 million people in the UK was conducted via COVID Symptom Tracker app. It was found that 12% of recovered patients had symptoms after 30 days, while 2% of those infected have long COVID symptoms even after 90 days. There is still no clear answer as to what causes long COVID. The New England Journal of Medicine also suggests the onset of diabetes due to severe metabolic complications due to COVID-19. It is because the virus can remain dormant in parts of the cell. We don't know for sure. Reports from some parts of the world also seem to suggest cases of reinfection. While a case of reinfection was confirmed in Hong Kong, in other parts including Bangalore, it is not clear if it was a reinfection or a flare-up of the previous infection that didn't end. The global cases of infection, as per many experts, is an undercount. In India, a large number of patients recovered in home isolation. But due to the lack of any solid post-hospitalization studies in the country, the fear and extent of long COVID is largely unknown.